In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion with a team for free. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. On the homepage, click Log In. I'll use the Google option because it's quick and secure, but any supported sign-in method works the same way. When the Google window appears, choose the account you want to use. If you're asked for permission, confirm it so Notion can sign you in. That's all you need to access your workspace. Once you're in, open the page where your team project lives. I'll use a page called Central Database as an example, but you can open any project page you plan to collaborate on. With the page open, look to the top right and click Share. This is where you'll invite your teammates and control their permissions. In the invite field, start typing your teammates' names or email addresses. A helpful tip here: if you're adding multiple people, separate each email by pressing the spacebar. You'll see each person appear as a separate tag, which makes it easy to review who you're inviting before you send anything. Next, open the Permissions dropdown, which usually shows Full Access by default. This menu is important because it defines exactly what each person can do. Full Access is for someone who needs complete control of the page, including editing the content and managing sharing settings. If you want collaborators to build and update the content but not change sharing, choose Can Edit. For reviewers who should leave feedback without changing the content itself, choose Can Comment. And for stakeholders who only need to read the information, select Can View. Think about what each person needs to get their work done and pick the lightest level that still supports that goal. You can mix permissions across invitees so editors can build while viewers stay read only. After you've set the right access level for each person, take a quick moment to double check the list and the permissions. When everything looks good, click Invite. Notion will send the invitations to those emails, and once they accept, they'll be able to open this page and collaborate with the access you assigned. This flow is a great way to work with a team for free because you're inviting people to a specific page and controlling exactly how they can interact with it. If you ever need to adjust access later, just return to Share on the same page and update the permissions as your project evolves.